guys, welcome back to Simple Living and welcome to today's episode. Today I am talking about the most hated room in my house. The subject that we pushed aside for so many years. My dining room. I hate this room so much because it is so small that you cannot fit a proper size table, and it really annoys me because I want to cater, I want to host, and I cannot because of that room. I've tried downsizing tables to see if this works and it just doesn't. So here we are again. Our number one idea, or the idea that we played with around the most, was knocking down the wall that divides this dining room, because on the other side of this wall is our laundry room. So that's the dining, and then the living room goes that way. And then this is the laundry room. I hate this room. Don't mind it. It's dirty. I'm working on it. And there's the electrical box. We have so much to repair in this room. All these weird things were installed here, so yeah. But that would cost us a lot more money because we would have to move a electrical box and get a new washer and dryer. So we just decided to not go that route today. At least not now. Who knows? Maybe in the future. So instead I headed to Pinterest and started looking for ideas to try to see if I can find something that would probably be similar to my room or my style, and kind of get ideas, you know, from each picture. I was actually looking at a lot of pictures that were really not realistically close to my scale of room, but you know, we all dream, right? I'm not the only one. I just decided to go with this picture right here. I love how this is styled. I love that it looks actually very similar to mine. It's just like a bigger room, but it has a rectangular table with the windows, really nice curtains. I love the china cabinet and the little olive tree, and I wish that I could have that in my space. Maybe I can, but for now we're gonna do what we can with what we have, okay? I'm only buying the table, using this chairs that I have, and everything else that I have, basically. Okay, so this is the table. I love it so much. It really complements the wall color, and green and the black they go very well together. And I thought about bringing my fiddle leaf tree and putting it in this corner, but I'm not sure yet because I want to put a vase there that I really love from Studio McGee. I don't know if you guys remember, I bought this year and I just want it there, and I feel like it kind of feels like too much green happening here, so I don't know about that. We'll see. And I really wanted to change the light fixture. I really don't like it. I wanted something lower, and I actually thought about centering the table with the light fixture, but it's kind of hard because you guys look at the crowd space. The hallway space is kind of crowded, so I don't know what I'm gonna do there. I do want to use these rugs right here to put under the table. They're really small, so I wanted to put 2 and 2 together, just so that it's not too dark, and because I really hate our flooring, but we gotta do with what we got, okay? So let's just see how it looks with the rugs underneath. I actually got these at IKEA last year or the year before. I don't remember. I think it's like a 5x3. So I'm just gonna put 2 together, and hopefully that'll be long enough for this space. This table's so heavy. So far, I love it. So my husband did tell me that he wants new chairs, and I'm all for it, to be honest. I'm actually annoyed with these already. They're not that uncomfortable, but he really doesn't like them at all. The style is a little bit too farmhousey for me. I think that these would look nice maybe outside for like a patio dining moment. I've been actually really into very light colored furniture. with maybe a little bit of contrast. So I was thinking of maybe like a light chair with maybe a black iron leg or something like that. And I did find some at West Elm, but as you guys probably already know, West Elm is really expensive. These chairs are $600 for a pair, which is more than my table itself. So I'm definitely going to wait on a little bit. Maybe I can find something more affordable. If you're looking into buying from these kinds of stores that are really more expensive, a lot of times they do offer to send you a free swatch of the fabric, I guess, to give you a better idea of what it looks like. And it works best for both you and obviously the store, because you don't want to deal with returns. It's much more annoying, especially when it comes to furniture. And to be honest, I'm really happy that I did order a swatch, because the color is completely different than what it looks online. Online, it looks a lot more lighter than it does in person, which I wasn't completely disappointed, because I did put the swatch on my table and lean it against the wall, and it looks really good, so I didn't mind it. I think that they complement each other, so it wasn't a complete fail. But the point is that they don't always look the same online as they do in person. So